Today I'm going to teach you how to make a mystery picture pixel art on Google Sheets. So here I have an example of one I already made. How this works is when you write the correct answer, pixels should start to appear, like that. But if you put an incorrect answer, nothing should happen. So I'm going to quickly show you what it looks like once all the correct answers are added. So once all the correct answers are added, your picture should be revealed. So I chose to make a shark one because I made this for my brother and he loves sharks. So you can make this for anyone, your students, your friends, your family, anyone you want. So now I'm going to teach you how you make this. So what you want to do first is create a new spreadsheet. For this video, I have a pre-made one so that it will make it faster to teach you how to do this. So what I already did is I created the questions, I already added the answers, I created a word bank here, and I already created my picture. Now, what you want to do is, I'm just going to quickly show you. You also want to create a new spreadsheet here, not a spreadsheet, I mean a new sheet in your spreadsheet, and you can name it answers or whatever you want, and you're going to write the answers for each question. Here I just wrote the number of the question, but you can write the full question if you want. So let's get started. To do this, the first step is you're going to select a few squares. You don't have to do it in the same row. You can just go crazy and just pick random ones like this if you want. It doesn't really matter. When you're doing random ones, you want to click Control and then they're going to come. I only know how to do it with the same color, so even if you're doing random, I recommend choosing the same color or else it might not work with my formula. So I'm just going to choose this row first and I'll show you how to do it. So the first part is you're going to select your colors. You're going to put the color as white. Then you're going to go to Format, then Conditional Formatting. And then you're going to click Format Cells If, and you're going to choose Custom Formula Is. So you're going to write what I'm going to tell you now. So you're going to write equals match. Then you're going to write bracket, $sign, and then you're going to add the column letters. So for the first one I'm going to do, so I'm linking these squares to Mercury, and Mercury is in the column B. So I'm going to write B, then I'm going to add $sign number 8 because it's in row number 8. Then I'm going to add comma, indirect, bracket, quotation marks. Then I'm going to write answers because that's what I named my sheet here. Exclamation mark, then $sign, C because on this sheet I put Mercury in the column C. Then $sign 3 because it's in row number 3. Then I'm going to do quotation marks, bracket, comma, 0, bracket. So that's what you're going to do. Then here you're going to choose the fill color as the color it was originally as. Then you're going to choose done. I don't think it came. There we go. Then you're going to choose done. So since my answer is already there, nothing should have happened. But once I take it out, it should turn white. So let's pretend that everything is gone right now. Nothing should happen when I take these out because I didn't link those ones yet. But when I write Mercury, it should come. So I'm going to show you one more and that's all you basically have to do. So the next one I'm going to show you is for Jupiter. So I'm going to choose a few ones. So I'm going to choose this color this time. Same thing, you're going to choose white. Always remember what color it is so that you know what to choose again. Then you're going to write add another rule. And then custom formula is equals match. Make sure you don't add any spaces. Opening brackets, $sign. It's still in column B, Jupiter, but this one is in row 10, so I'm going to write $10. then comma, indirect, then you're going to do bracket, quotation marks, then I'm going to write the name of my spreadsheet, and then exclamation mark, dollar sign. It's the answer on my sheet answers is on column C, so Jupiter's on column C. Then I'm going to do dollar sign, the number it's on, so it's on row 4. Quotation marks, close the brackets, add a comma, 0, and add another bracket there. Then you're going to click, not yet, but you're going to choose your color, and then you're going to click done. And if I take Jupiter out, it should be gone. But when I write it again, it should come. So that's how you do it, very simple. But now there's another problem. If you're going to share this, because you have to share this with your students or whoever you're making it for, they're going to see this sheet called answers, and you don't want that. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this little triangle piece, and you're going to click hide sheet. Then no one should be able to see it. But let's say you want to make changes, or you want to see it again. You're going to click on all sheets, and if you click answers, it should come again. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something really cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed. Thank you. Bye.